Hello everyone, my name is Leo Song, who owns First Gear Project. I would like to talk about R1TITAN product today. R1TITAN has been almost 20 years history in Japan. And their exhaust is made by titanium material, 100% in Japan, with Japanese hand skill. So why R1TITAN? R1TITAN is one of the high-end quality exhaust system from Japan. And everybody's dream is having titanium exhaust system on their own cars. Titanium exhaust is much lighter than OEM exhaust. It makes really nice and clean sound as well. The soen is meaning of blue frame in Japanese. As you know guys, titanium exhaust can produce with the blue color. However, R1TITAN exhaust is high quality, but it's very expensive as well. And 3 years ago, R1TITAN president, Mr. Kudo-san, came to Canada and we had discussion about the future plan. And I actually explained to him that R1TITAN is amazing product, and the people who understand R1TITAN, we don't mind to spend big money for the exhaust system. However, it's not for everybody. But we want to bring R1TITAN exhaust in public with much better price. And the soen exhaust is much better price compared to regular R1TITAN exhaust, but it keeps exactly same quality and the same material, same manufacturer, still made in Japan. Everything is the same as regular R1TITAN exhaust. R1TITAN soen series is much cheaper than regular R1TITAN exhaust system. The reason why they can do this kind of concept, because they don't put polished piping anymore, and they removed flanges and bolts and nuts and the titanium gasket as well. Soen exhaust is available for 2011 Plus, Subaru WRX STI, and 2015 Plus WRX STI sedan, 350Z, 370Z, Evo 10, Scion FRS, Toyota 86, Subaru BRZ, and a new GR86 and a new BRZ as well. Thank you. アミューズ R1 チタンマフラーは世界の皆さんのためにみんな努力してます。値段、品質、それから心を込めてマフラーを作り上げていきます。皆さんにぜひ R1 チタンマフラーの経験を与えたいです。ありがとうございました。